2012 Boss Mustang to check out here at Unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, just 14,763 on this one is all. It's number 643. Let's go ahead and check out this front fascia, chin spoiler. Of course, the 302, 5-liter underneath the hood. 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see it's not full of nicks or chips. There's a few little spots where there's been maybe a little touch-up applied, but overall, good looking front end on this car. One little blemish up on the black. It's being pretty fussy though. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And yes, the red key is activated. Comes with both keys, black and red, riding on the original Boss wheels. Radial tires, date codes on the tires, so you're aware, 2016 on the front, 2019 on the rear. Brakes are 70% in the rear, 80% in the front. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Do note the side windows and rear windows are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. Race red with the Recaro seat option. The factory stereo has been replaced, as well as the stock springs. It will come with the original radio, which is in the Dynavin box. That's the brand of stereo that's in it. The other white box next to it is the factory springs. The smaller white box is the Ford tuner that will go along with it. And yes, there's the Boss 302 cover. Goes with the car, as well as the window sticker. And if you're aware of those covers, it's about a $500, $600 package right there right now. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online right off our showroom floors. We take a look down this driver's side. You can see that it is also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Very clean on the underside too, so make sure you take a look at those still pictures. We are going to start it up, let you hear it run. I did pre-warm it up a little bit to get it up to temperature so we can hear it run with that red key in. I will also show you that the red key is active, so there's no questions on that. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Door panels, nice shape. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks. You will not have a power seat with that Recaro seat option. And the seats are in nice shape. You can see not a bunch of wear in the bolster. No rips, tears, holes in the fabric. Of course, tilt column, cruise control, driver's information center. All of that. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let it run a little bit too. I'm going to show you the stereo. All right, so there's your exact miles, 14,736. There's track key active. Check this out. Control down below. That's going to be your on and off. Give it a second here. So this does have navigation, obviously a little more modern than the stock stereo in it. Sounds good. So there's your menu with navigation. Of course, more options than you're going to have on your stock stereo. Nice setup. And it does come with the stock one if you want to go back to stock, or if you want to have the capabilities of having that along with it. it'll go along with it. No service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that, no surprises. Sounds good, and I have not looked on this one. I guess you could consult with a sales associate when you call in if the plates on the side exhaust have been removed or not. I tell you what, I'll pop the hood, get the hood open. I'm going to double check the glove box, see if they're in there. I have not seen them either, so let me do a little digging. Maybe I can figure out by sticking my head underneath there if the side exhaust plates have been removed or not. Give me a second, let's get this hood open. All right, hood propped open. As far as the exhaust, it's a little tough to see underneath there. Got underneath there with a light, tried to look. It appears the plates are in from what I can see. You might be able to get a better look at the underside pictures and see. Anyway, engine bay, hood liner, nice and clean. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. And it's running just as smooth as you'd expect. Number I mentioned earlier, right there, 643, the sequential boss number on this particular car. Good looking engine bay. Boss 302. Clean Carfax. Actual mile car, low mile car, 14,763. It's not going to last long. If you're interested in one, call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2012 Ford Mustang Boss. Boss means more power, more fun. This is a 6-speed manual transmission right here on the center console. Let's beat the traffic and get out here. Sounds really good. That's with the windows up. Now, when you hear this thing with the windows down or just idling, it sounds so good. 2,000 RPM. Oh goodness. So that's showing 67 miles per hour. I'm slowing down a little bit. Easy to go fast in this car. Very nice, smooth riding car. Fuel tank giving me a half of a tank on the gauge. Temperature a little less than half. Factory stereo sounds good. Nice throwback styling on the seats. Stitching. Cloth seats, you're not going to stick to them like some of those leather and vinyl seats out there. Nice black interior. One of the best reds I think I've ever seen on a car, on the outside of this car. Really an eye-catching red. Brakes feel good. I'm in third, giving it a little bit of G-force in the corners, and it corners very well. Yeah, let's put a window down just for a second. Great sounding car. Hopefully you can hear that. Take a look at all the pictures of this Boss Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.